counter-attack between him and Abubakar Nasir. The two have always combined so well. This time, he did not need Abubakar, and then Robel Tekle Mikayo. It's a yellow card to Robel. Tagging, pulling, Binyam Getaju, just impeding his movement, forward movement, and clearly the referee was right there. Mikhail Taime. Someone chest fire, floating one into the area as far as Haile Gabretise. Addis delivers one into the area. It's high, goes out wide and almost picked up by Zerihun and Shebo. Bill Mamo let that one fly over him and could have been trouble, but Zerihun and Shebo just couldn't keep this one on target. Good ball into the area, and again, showing how sometimes uncomfortable Ethiopian Buna are in these kind of situations. And if you're suddenly at Dimeso Fekado, you'll be looking at that as a crucial tactic moving forward. As Red Stranger picks up possession, handled that one. Shiwas Beleo just ahead of him. The referee was quite close to the crime scene. Sgenyi Petros floating another one forward. Very good defending from Asrat Stunjo this time to try and stop Yeshiwas into getting into his own element in a very dangerous place. William did take his shirt off, and if he was suddenly watching, the rules of the game are very clear. This is Robel battling with Moluken Adisu. Ethiopian Buna keep possession. To Asrat Tunjo out wide. He's got so much space in front of him. He's looking for Abubakar. Here comes the return ball into the area. And a very good defending from Samuel Asferi this time. As it comes through the center, could this be the counter-attack? A long one coming out wide, looking for Fitsum Tiraon. The goalkeeper again is quickly off his line. And at some point, that could be trouble for Abel Mamo. That high line being maintained by Ethiopian Buna. Well, let's see how they are going to deal with it for the rest of the game. Suddenly, Addis Abaketema have figured it out, so they're having a lot of those long balls. Here is another one coming forward, looking for Yeshuas.